Okay, we want to find the distance between Halifax and Buenos Aires. Now we're assuming here that these are on the same north-south line, which is what the book told us. So we've got the Earth here, and we're trying to figure out how far they're apart. We now need to know what this angle is. And we've got Halifax up here at 45 north and Buenos Aires at 34 south. Now, how far is this angle? Well, the way that this is done is we have to go 45 degrees south to the equator and then 34 more south to Buenos Aires. So the distance between these is actually 45 plus 34, or 79 degrees. So this is 79 degrees. But to use our arc length formula, we need this in radians. So I'm going to convert this pi over 180 times 79. So this is 79 pi over 180. Now this might reduce, but I don't even care because I'm going to put it into my calculator here in a minute. Then I'm going to put this into my formula. So my formula says the radius, which we were told was 6,400, times 79 pi over 180. Now I'm going to put this into my calculator. So let's see here what I've got. I'm going to start with the fraction. So 79 pi divided by 180 times 6,400. Okay, so this is the answer, but we have to look at our given information, and our given information rounds to 2 significant digits. These two we're assuming is rounded. There's only 2 in this, so we're going to round this to 8,800 as my answer. So we're going to go this 8,800 kilometers because we're looking at these 2 significant figures and going, okay, well, it was probably rounded to the nearest hundred, so we're going to do the same. And these only had 2 as well. There was no tenths involved. There was not a third significant figure. So you can, hopefully this helps you set this up. It's a little bit weird because remember you're with the equator, how far they are apart. We do have to think about this. They're both north. We could just subtract them, or both south. But in this case, you kind of think about it as negative and positive numbers. I have to go to the equator and then start over again, whichever way. Or like from here, I'd go 34 up to the equator and then 45 degrees more north. So hopefully that helps you set this problem up.